Hi everyone, and thanks for jumping back into my video. Today, we're touring a riverside home in Calicut, and in this video, the owner breaks down the story, the design choices, and what it's really like living with this view every day.
The Tarang was made actually for it was just like a pad for my own personal use. But then after some time, people started asking me to place out, and that's when it struck me that I could give it out as a homestay and party area. So initially, I had hosted a lot of parties, and I'm a person who likes to host parties. So that by word of mouth, that came into being, and that's how it. We didn't do any major advertising or anything for that matter. It was just word of mouth which created this place. And Tarang basically was done by an architect called Vinod and Anita. They did a wonderful job, and that year we got the award for the best residence in Kerala. Yeah, it's again the ambience is so nice that anything which you make there would because it's got a large space where we have the river and a lot of party area space, also a lot of greenery. Then we added some certain things like we needed a kids space area, we need a turf. We have a turf there so that you can play your games. You have a kids play area where the kids can be safe and locked. So because it's a riverside area, we thought we'll have a place where the kids are safe and the parents can, enjoy. And then we have a hall where you can accommodate around 40 people. In terms of design, the way that you see, which is the doorway that you see, which is facing that particular portion should be around 200 years old. Great grandfather had built it for a coconut yard. Basically, it was basically a coconut yard where we used to get all our coconuts from the river and do our processing and trading from there. So this has been in our family for ages. So that particular element that you see is actually original. You can also see the trees growing inside the walls of that. So the tree is grown and the walls are there for so long. So that particular thing has not been touched. Only the things that we did inside was, altered. We had a lot of airconut over there. Airconut wood we've used as a paneling there. So we used what wood we got from there to do the paneling of the thing. So we have not gone out for wood. We had that wood in the property, so we used the property.
The home features 5 bedrooms designed for privacy, open living and dining areas that face the river, and spaces that naturally encourage you to disconnect from the city.
There are 2-3 things which there's this particular of this property is you have a huge bird sanctuary there, which is India's one of the biggest bird sanctuary, which is just hardly 2 or 3 kilometers there. It's called a place called Chalyam. So that is a tourist attraction. Of course, the waterfront which is there, and basically the person can look as a good holiday space where you can and we have 5 rooms. So you can accommodate easily 5 families can join up, take the place. You know, they have fun, and it could be a family getaway. People from outside Kerala also will love this place because they get the Kerala vibe. They get the basic, the backwater vibe. You don't need to go up to Cochin to, get this whole thing, because basically there's a misconception that Kerala only Cochin and Alapi has got the backwaters. So we have also got backwaters. Calicut has also got backwaters, and the best part is everybody comes to Wayanad. So from Wayanad, this place is hardly 1.5 hours. So once you're doing your itinerary, you could also add this particular place. Like we have a lot of waterfront properties which are there. All these are very close by this property. So yeah, tourist prominence is there, and hopefully it will have a wider thing. Apart from Calicut, this can go more wide, and we'll have people coming from all over the place.
If you enjoyed this Riverside home and enjoyed the story behind it, give this video a like and share your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.